How to download music using mobile data on VK on Android or iOS phone. First open VK and then click Hub and then click the storylines here and click settings and then click app settings and here we'll find it downloading music. Now you can turn it on or off, and if you want to download music using mobile data, just make sure it's enabled and then go back, it will be saved. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.